Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I put out a video, a proper vlog or something, but been working on a lot of really cool stuff in the background that I'm really excited to show you, and that's what we're doing today. So I've got Augie manning the camera.
Hey!
Oh, I've been working on a lot of stuff in the background, and one of those, as you can probably tell from the title, is a new channel build. We're doing a new channel build. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I've been working and researching on like what car I want to do, because I want a specific thing we're doing. But we finally have one. I will warn you, it does look a little rough right now. It is a little rough, but that's going to be part of the process. Getting it back, it's going to be really fun. So without further ado, here's the new channel build. Now, I told you it's a little rough. It's a bit rough, but come on over here and I'll just kind of show you. So this bumper was in better tact when I first got it, but the tow truck driver kind of just destroyed this whole thing. So yeah, all of this will be coming off, but so with this car, we're actually going to be doing a wide body stance big turbo build. I'm super excited. So the only thing wrong with it is cosmetically. So if we can take a look, it's still beautiful. I mean, she's a little dirty, but it's beautiful. So the only thing that's really wrong with this car, which I'll show you come over here, is this. So we got hit on the side and has a bent axle, but we already picked up a new axle. Thank you for all of you guys that hooked me up with the new axle and fender that we'll be installing this week as well and get it driving. But I'm excited. Clean title, everything's good with it. It just needs the axle fixed and cosmetically, and she's good to go. I already started up and it sounds amazing. Let me show you around the car. All right, so inside the car, so I do have to get a new steering wheel, but that's all right because we will be ordering a flat bottom steering wheel, hopefully. Some cool stuff. So this car is actually really equipped. It's a 2007 Audi S3 2.0 turbo. So we've got navigation, we've got it's the dual clutch. I wanted a manual, but it's a dual clutch and it was a great deal. So that's why we went with this. The car's great. You've got a full like panoramic glass roof. It's really exciting. So yeah, this is the car. This is the new build, and I'm super excited for it. If you guys have any like questions, comments, like put it down below. Certain things you may want to see this car either wrapped in or wheels on it or whatever, comment down below. I want you guys' feedback on this. It's gonna be a super fun build. Here, let's get out of this car. It's a little hot. Now, you guys remember Augie from previous vlogs and Augie's Honda as well. Well, Augie actually wrecked that. And so he actually has a new car that he's doing a build on as well. So here's, without further ado, Augie's new build. He has a new 86. It's a TRD edition 86. So I'm not entirely sure what his plans are for that, but this will be on the channel as well, being built. So we now have the Audi S3 that we'll be building. We have Augie's 86 that we'll be building, and we still have Chance's Veloster Turbo that we're still building as well. So we've got a lot of cool builds going on, a lot of cool stuff going on for 2018 and this car season. So I'm excited for you guys to stay in tune and watch all of this, and we'll keep you updated on everything. We'll see you guys in the next video.